AI will be our leader, and it will happen very soon. Mo Gaudat, Egyptian entrepreneur and author, best known for his work as chief business officer at Google X, says that in the very near future, within 10 years at most, we will be guided by artificial intelligence, which will replace our politicians. Artificial intelligence is becoming faster and smarter. A study published in Nature Medicine in 2019 demonstrated this progress with an AI capable of analyzing lung CT scans to diagnose cancer. The results were surprising. Human doctors alone had an accuracy of 85%. With AI plus doctors together, the accuracy slightly increased. But AI alone surpassed both options, achieving an accuracy of 90%. This shows how AI is not only accelerating the diagnostic process, but also surpassing human capabilities in many situations. Mo Gaudat argues that in a context of conflict between nations, the country that manages to implement AI faster will have an advantage in the short term. Indeed, when two powers are at odds, they tend to delegate decisions to the most intelligent entity available. Therefore, if a nation entrusts its military strategy to an AI, other countries will feel compelled to do the same to avoid becoming irrelevant. Gaudat predicts that over time, this process will lead to a world where AI will make crucial decisions in military, economic, and governmental areas without human involvement. He estimates that this transformation will be complete within 10 years. In this scenario, a digital superintelligence could emerge as a benevolent leader for humanity, leading an era of stability and progress. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on upcoming videos about artificial intelligence.